Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying your OS and architecture, so you pick the correct installer. This avoids compatibility problems. Once done, decide whether the built-in Explorer is enough or if you need features like dual pane, tabs, or FTP. Next, download the official package for your platform. Use exe/MSI on Windows or DEB/RPM on Linux. Make sure downloads match 32 or 64-bit. Install immediately so you can move to configuration. The installation step run the installer with elevated writes so file associations and shell extensions install correctly. During setup, enable key features: tabs for multi-folder work, dual pane for fast transfers, archive handling, and external tool integration. These speed common tasks. Once installed, set the new program as the default file manager to open folders from apps. Then configure keyboard shortcuts and view modes for your workflow. This saves time every day. Make sure plugins or integrations are enabled so search and previews work. Finish by testing core operations. Copy, move, rename, search, preview, and network shares to confirm functionality. If something fails, verify folder permissions and run the app with admin rights. Sometimes reinstalling problematic extensions or resetting the configuration fixes issues. Also update drivers or dependencies if network or preview features misbehave. Finally, export your configuration or back up the settings and practice a few keyboard shortcuts so you retain speed. This ensures a reliable file manager setup and quick recovery if issues appear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.